is so easy to work with. It doesn't fray, which is amazing. So you can kind of cut it and leave it. But then also it's really strong for kids. You can pull at it and it rarely comes apart. Like it's great because you can just do, a lot of these things are just like what I'm working with now. It's just two pieces and flatten together, stuff it, and becomes something great. But then if you wanted to go, you can add more and more and more pieces to make it bigger. I like button eyes and just seeing the dark stitches throughout. Yeah. So many things that you can add on. And then with like we were all these fun beads for eyes and little cheeks on anything, like just to make an apple, just to put eyes and cheeks and a little mouth on there. It turns one thing to a whole nother thing. With the kid stuff, it's fun to do and everything, but then as I was doing it, it started to look a little more adult, more, I like creepier things and skeletons and all that kind of stuff. We had a vampire banana, which like the bananas also come out of their peel, which I think I was making the banana just as a banana, but then as I was doing it, the peel looked so much like Dracula's cape that therefore I had to make it into a vampire. And they were super fun. And everybody's just, whenever they see the vampire banana or see the banana, they're like, oh, that's really cool. But then when it then comes out, that's what gets them.